So there were a ton of choices to choose from, and we really had to work with our space because obviously our ceilings aren't ridiculously high. They're high, but they're not really high, so we definitely have some clearance issues. We chose the XP fan because it has the right clearance that we wanted. It was going to sit low enough to clear our lights and be able to cover enough of an area and cool enough of an area without interfering with our lifts, but also it runs on 110 voltage. Plus, we have limited electrical supply in this building, right? And we didn't want to have to do a major revamping of things. We have 220 here, but we use that for our plasma cutters and our welders and all of our heavy equipment. We didn't want to use a fan that was going to require 220. It just makes it easier because I'm not having to steal that 220 from things that I need it more for. And of course, we're working all around the clock here. When we're doing all of our body work, there's body filler dust absolutely everywhere. Cleaning this place up was a nightmare. I'm really excited about bringing fans into the space for a number of reasons. One, it's going to keep my electrical costs down, but also it's going to help keep all of that dust under control when we're doing body work. And when we do have to do wet sanding inside the space, it's going to keep everything dry. It's going to be a lot safer for everybody. It's going to be just a lot more comfortable. So many people that I can think of right off the bat who are working in hotter climates or just places where you don't have air conditioning, because not all shops do. So having something like this as an option, it's going to save you so much money. It's going to pay for itself in no time.